it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be sketching outside. It has been a gorgeous couple of days here in the place where I live, and I wanted to get outside and I wanted to do something, but I also wanted to film a video, but my studio is inside. There are going to be some noises, so I hope you don't mind, but today's going to be a fun video. Hope you enjoy watching me draw. What am I drawing? Oh, this is pelvis and spinal cord. Spinal column, not cord. I've been really into drawing bones since I drew this wolf skeleton. I was trying to do a project, the 4 wolves of the apocalypse. I don't know if you guys have seen that picture of the 4 cats of the apocalypse. It's a play on the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, basically. That skeletal structure that I just showed you as either famine or plague, but I really, really loved the sketch, so I decided to ink it instead of coloring it with alcohol-based markers like I did the other one. And then that idea just kind of, I don't know, fell off the rails. I don't know. There's a motorcycle. Now we gotta sketch the pelvis. I bet those weren't words you were expecting to hear when you clicked on this video. Time to sketch the pelvis. That is the neighbor's dog. I really hope this dog doesn't bark the entirety of my video. That would be annoying. Now another dog is starting to bark. What I used to like to do was sketch at the library. You guys have seen a video that I made actually at the library, but it was a different library where I used to live. And I would spend 5, 6, 7 hours just at the library sketching. I would put on a podcast and just sketch. Like, I would draw for hours. That's how I filled my first sketchbook as quickly as I did. But sometimes I would just get super bored. Like, I would be like, oh my gosh, I've been drawing for so long. And also, the library was technically within biking distance of my house. And obviously, like, 6 miles on a bike isn't too bad. And I'm going to sound quite old, but it was uphill on the way back. Like, super uphill. When I was young, I had to bike uphill to the library both ways in the snow. Okay, something's looking off here. Everything's a little bit too geometric. It needs to be more of an organic shape because bones are not geometric. Although that would be cool to draw kind of like a geometric bone structure. I'm just gonna throw some shading on the spinal column just to give it a little more definition and make it easier to figure out what's going on. This side of the pelvis is lower than this side of the pelvis, so if I just draw a little line right here, we'll know not to go over that line when I draw it again. We also have a hummingbird feeder in our backyard, and these hummingbirds will just come up to the feeder. Sometimes it's empty and then they get angry at us, and then you can tell they're mad. They don't come knock on our door and file a complaint. Also, there are flies out here. I like them less. Yeah, because the tailbone sticks out from the back. Like, I'm looking at the pelvis like front facing, so the pelvis is going to be in the shadow down here. I'm probably adding shading prematurely, but it's going to be like in the back. It makes it hard to count how many segments there are. I just think skeletons and things are fun to draw because everything is so well defined and easy to see. I'm extending everything a little too far, like I'm elongating it, when really everything is a little, crunched together. I should have done some flashcards or something about human anatomy before I started this video, but whatever these sections are, those are causing me lots of issues. I don't know if you guys have ever done blind contour drawing, but that's where you look at the photo without looking at your paper and draw at the same time. But I have found doing that exercise has been one of the most helpful things when it comes to making my art look better. Just because when you do that, your brain starts to look at the shapes as opposed to the solid object. So for example, I noticed that here, if you go to the point here and go all the way here, it forms a little bit of a triangle. So you do see the geometric shapes in the organic reference. Okay, so that elongating problem I was talking about doesn't just extend to the vertical part of the drawing, it also extends to the horizontal part of the drawing. So I just need to pull that in and fix that. Alright, so I turned off the camera just to work on this a little bit, and it's coming together. Slowly and surely. You know where I should draw next? You know, because like I like drawing places. I drew at the library, I'm drawing outside. I should draw at the zoo. That would be fun. This is basically, honestly, probably pretty finished. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shading and then we'll see the finished product. Should I add a little bit of color? I'm kinda feeling a little bit of color. Yeah, let's just go for it. Call that good enough. Anyway, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. Comment down below if you'd like to see more of these videos, either me just sketching outside or me sketching somewhere that isn't my studio. Share this video with someone if you think they'll like it, and have a fabulous day. Bye!